This is Jamie with OSU Extension. Today we're going to go over some knife safety skills. When cutting something that can roll, you can use a method called the tunnel. So you bring your hands up and hold on to the sides of the round vegetable or fruit. You want to put the knife in first, then put your hands in, and just pull the knife along to cut it in half. Then that gives you a flat surface to work with. Now they won't roll away when we're trying to cut them. We're going to go ahead and slice that one more time into quarters. So now we have 4 nice little slices after we slice this one. Then I'm going to show you how to do the rocking motion. So we want to keep our fingers curled, and we're going to use our fingers to push the cucumber into the knife. But we want to make sure that our fingers stay out of the way. Always keep the tip of the knife on the cutting board. We're going to rock the knife. As we cut, we're going to use our fingers to push the vegetable in. Now, we have several nice little slices of cucumbers that are bite-sized. With this part of the cucumber, I want to show you the vacuum motion. So first we're going to chop off the ends because we don't want the end pieces. So we're going to get those out of the way. Then we're going to go up and over like a tunnel, slice it in half again. So we have our quarters of our cucumber. Then I'm going to show you how to do, this is the vacuum motion. So we're going to keep our fingers up, and we're going to move it like a vacuum as we're coming forward. We're going to slice and drive the knife like a vacuum. Make sure you keep those fingers out of the way. Have fun cooking, and thanks for watching.